Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use eye tracking and control your iPhone screen with your eyes. So, in order to enable this feature, you're gonna have to go to Settings, then open Accessibility, and here select eye tracking. Here it is. Let's turn it on. Now let's look directly at the camera. Position your face in this square. Then you're gonna have to follow the dot with your eyes. To let your iPhone calibrate your eye movement. Now, in the meantime, I just want to let you know that this feature is available starting with on iPhone starting with iPhone 12, and it is also supported by devices with iOS 18 or later. And now, once your eye tracking is enabled, you'll be able to basically use your eyes to select elements of your screen. So basically you just have to watch at the element of your screen, look at it in order to select it. Though I wouldn't say that it's very convenient, or I calibrated something wrong, but generally speaking, it's not the most convenient thing I've ever seen. So let me open this Photos application, for example. Basically what I'm gonna have to do is look directly at it. Okay, so I just figured it out. So yeah, and basically right now I can use my eyes to control my iPhone. And to disable this feature, just switch the toggle to the left and tap yes, and it will be disabled. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.